All right, K5, we are going to do science now because we like science. We're going to start off by singing our winter, spring, summer, fall song. All right, are you ready? Winter, spring, summer, fall, there are seasons four in all. Weather changes, sun and rain and snow, leaves fall down and flowers grow. Winter, spring, summer, fall, there are seasons four in all. Look outside and you will see just what season it will be. Let's sing that again to help you remember it. Winter, spring, summer, fall, there are seasons four in all. Weather changes, sun and rain and snow, leaves fall down and flowers grow. Winter, spring, summer, fall, there are seasons four in all. Look outside and you will see just what season it will be. All right, good job, boys and girls. Now today we're going to be in our science book. We're going to be on page 47. All right, so you can look on here with me and we will talk about seeds today. All right, now look here, boys and girls. The title for this chapter is called God's Plan for Seeds. And this page says, isn't it wonderful that a little seed like this right here, see the little acorn, can grow up to be a mighty tree like this? Isn't that amazing, boys and girls? That all it takes is a little acorn and it can grow into a great big tree. And look at that tree, boys and girls. That tree is huge. I would like to climb on that tree. All right, now I'm going to turn the page to page 48. Okay, it says a corn seed will always grow to be a corn plant. It could never be anything else. And this is God's plan for each seed. Okay, so a corn seed can only grow up to be a corn plant. A tomato seed can only grow up to be a tomato plant. A apple seed can only grow up to be an apple tree. Okay, each seed makes the kind of fruit, the kind of plant and tree that God intended for it to make. Okay, now a tiny plant is inside each seed. Do you see the plant in this seed right here? Okay, can you see that? Whoops, I didn't have it up there. Can you see the seed in this plant right here? The plant right there and the seed? All right, now boys and girls, look here at this plant. Okay, look here. This is a corn plant, and it's talking about the different stages in the life of a corn plant. Okay, now over here is a seed. And then this is a seedling. And this is a plant. And the plant has different parts. Down at the bottom it has roots. And then it has a stem. It has leaves or leaves. And it has fruit. Okay, on a corn plant, the corn is the fruit. Then it has a flower. That silky stuff at the top of the corn, the little flowery thing, is called the flower. Okay, so those are the parts of a plant. Well, boys and girls, look over here at this yummy, yummy fruit. Who likes to eat fruit? I like to eat fruit. Okay, now this says, the Genesis 1:12 says, and the earth brought forth grass and herb yielding seed after his kind, and the tree yielding fruit whose seed was in itself after his kind, and God saw that it was good. So boys and girls, this is telling us that it was God's plan for the seeds to bring forth plants and fruit that is the same as itself. So just like I said a minute ago, a watermelon seed is only going to bring forth watermelon. A cantaloupe seed will only bring forth cantaloupe. A kiwi seed will only bring forth kiwi. That is God's plan. Now, here are some seeds and fruit that we eat. The fruit hides these seeds. Okay, you see all that yummy fruit? I'd like to have some of that right now. All right, now we're going to go to page 50. It says, how do seeds grow? Okay, now look at that. How do seeds grow? Seeds need sunshine, water, and soil to grow. Okay, so they need to be planted in the earth and the dirt. Now look over here. Look at all that yummy food, guys. Farmers plant many seeds. It is hard work. And here are some things that farmers grow. All right, let's see some of these things that they grow. Okay, this is wheat, which we make flour out of to get bread and all the bread products that we eat, cereals, green beans, peppers, squash, zucchini squash and yellow squash. There's some broccoli, radishes, carrots, and lettuce. Okay, these are all things that the farmers plant to grow so that we can have food to eat. And probably some of you grow gardens in the summer that have good food like that. Now look here, boys and girls. Animals help to plant seeds. Squirrels hide nuts in the ground. Birds drop seeds. And some seeds stick to the dog's fur, and soon the seeds drop off. The wind helps to plant seeds. Some seeds have wings, and the wind carries them away. Okay, and wherever they land, that's where the seed will make a plant. And some seeds have parachutes, and I can blow them away. Okay, do you know what kind of plant that is right there? We have a lot of them right now in our yards. They're dandelions. What happens to dandelions after they grow? You have the yellow flower, and then it turns into a puffball, doesn't it? And if you blow it, those little puffy things, they blow everywhere. And boys and girls, those are seeds. That's why there's so many dandelions in our yard, because those seeds spread everywhere. They make new dandelion plants. All right, now this is a page for you to do, boys and girls, page 54. Okay, something you can do. It says we can help plant seeds, but only God can make a seed. So we can get seeds from the food that we eat, and then we can plant them. But boys and girls, I can't make a seed, and you can't make a seed. Only God can make a seed. It says in Genesis in the Bible in 1:29, "Behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed." So the seeds are a gift from God, boys and girls. Now on this page, you are going to color the girl watering her plants. You can color her plants also. Now look on this side, boys and girls. It says, draw plants in the garden that could be used to make a salad, and color the picture. So think about all the yummy things we can put in a salad and draw those plants. You can put the pictures of them up here and then draw the little plants, kind of like she has on her garden. All right, now we have one more page today. That's page 56. All right, look at that, boys and girls. Here are some seeds that I can eat. Okay, we don't eat all kinds of seeds, but we can eat these seeds. Tomatoes. When we eat a tomato, it has all those little seeds in it. Peas. The peas are actually the seed. Corn on the cob. The corn is actually the seed. Strawberries. They have all those little tiny seeds on them, and we just eat them. And peanuts. Peanuts are actually the seeds. And sunflower seeds. Does anybody like sunflower seeds? They're kind of fun to eat, aren't they? All right, boys and girls, and that is it for our chapter on seeds. All right, so whenever you make a garden this year, remember that God is the one who made the plan for seeds and gave us seeds so that we could grow food. All right, you have a great afternoon, guys. We'll see you later.